We are working on our Bifolds up there. We're seaming this liner. So we are working on getting this cleaned, both sides cleaned, so we can actually seam this liner in. Nick is working. We've got one side cleaned. He's cleaned the other side so we can use our lighter fluid. And then we're going to work on doing our seaming on it. Guys are off at lunch. We're up to the waterfall area. The spill bowl is in, just has to get permanently set with slate pieces, just temporarily over there. I got a fish feeding stone there. I'm gonna get the machine to the other side. We'll do the waterfall. John's getting the Bifolds in. Progress is coming along. Fish cave is almost covered over.